Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to transfer your contact file VCF file on your WhatsApp. So for this guys, you need to open the contact app on your device and select the contact which you want to send like this. Or if you want to select all contact, just tap on three dots. From here you need to select all contacts, okay, like this, and then tap on share button like this. So it will take some time to create a exporting file, as you can see guys in my screen. So wait for a few seconds. So after the file was ready, from here you need to select WhatsApp and it will open the WhatsApp, and select the contact from here which you want to send. Now it will send the VCF file to your selected contact. So this is the way to send the multiple contact or all contact to anyone on the WhatsApp. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.